queen cell down the bottom of this frame. I'll let it go. Let's bring that over. Try and show you. I don't know if you can see it. Try and drive them off it. I don't know if you can see that. There's a queen cell right there. It's one I've missed. They're very tricky about queen cells. So we've still got a lot of drones in here. I don't know. It's Russian roulette. Maybe it'll come good. Maybe it won't. Maybe I should take a frame of eggs out of the other colonies. We'll see what we get. It's not going to hurt. Still got a very strong population of bees in this hive. In fact, this population is about what the get out. Might have a drone layer in here too. I can find that queen and that small colony in the queen raising apiary. I might just throw them in a nuke box, bring them down here and merge them with this. Go back up there and look. Drawing that out. Ah shit, here we go. And this is why I hate plastic frame. We've got a lot of bees clustering up on that. Why are there so many? What's going on there, girls? No such luck, I'm afraid. So they've started building wonky comb on this blasted thing. Deal with that. I've got 4 frames of comb, so I'm going to replace that frame. These 2 other ones. These 2.